Squiglet here.
I'm walking on 2 legs. But could you walk on 3 legs? Or 4? Or 5? Or 6? Or 7? Or even 8? There is a creature that walks on 8 legs. You find it in the garden and sometimes in the house, dangling off the ceiling. A spider!
Shall we squiggle our own spider? What sort of line could we use? Let's have a look.
It's a straight line.
Have you got your squiggle pads? And squiggle sticks ready? Now it's time to get squiggling. Let's start with the thread our spider's hanging from. We'll need a straight line for that. I love straight lines. Squiggle one with me. Put your squiggle stick on your squiggle pad.
Down, down, straight down. There. What's yours like? Down, down, straight down. Now for our spider's body. We'll need a round line. We mustn't forget those 8 legs. We can use our straight lines again for those. Up and down. 1. Up and down. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 eyes. 1, 2. And a big curved line for her smiley mouth. There's our spider hanging from her thread. Shall we meet her? Say the magic words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our squiggles come alive.
Salma, I'm Squiglet. It must be great having so many legs.
Well, not if you want to play football.
Football?
Yes, it's the big football match in my garden today, but none of my friends want me to play. I get all my long legs in a muddle when I kick the ball, you see.
Oh, I'm sure you could be good at football.
Really?
Let's see where you live and meet your friends. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's all squiggle where Salma lives, in a web. We'll need some more straight lines for that.
Ready? Down. 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 There. We can use some curved lines to join the straight lines together. Up, curve over and down. Keep going. Just a few more curved lines here. Up, curve over and down. There's our web.
Now let's squiggle the rest of Salma's garden.
Oh, it's my beautiful garden.
But where are your friends, Salma?
They'll be getting ready for the football match.
Are you sure they won't ask you to play?
No, all I can do is spin webs.
But that's amazing! Who's that, Salma?
Cedric the centipede. He's the best player in the garden.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Hello, Cedric. What's wrong?
It's my football socks. My mum washed them all, but they're not dry yet. Oh, I've got 100 legs. That's 100 socks. Where can I hang them up?
That is tricky.
I've got an idea. I can spin you a web A bit like a washing line. You can hang your socks here, and here, and here.
Thanks, Selma. I'll get those wet socks for my mum.
Well done, Salma. See, your web was useful for football.
Yes, but I thought after I'd helped him, Cedric might ask me to play.
Let's see if one of your other friends will want you on their team. Come on.
This is where Barry the Beetle lives. He's a brilliant footballer too.
Hello, Barry.
Hello, Squiglet. Hi, Salma. Can't stop to chat. I've got to polish my football boots. Hey, back soon.
Do you have any football boots, Salma?
No. I wonder if that's why no one ever asks me to play.
Let's find out. We can squiggle you some. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a football boot. We can use our straight lines again. We'll start with the bottom of the boot.
Ready? Across. And up. There. Let's use a curved line for the bit your foot goes in. And a wavy line for the toe. There's a boot. We need little football studs underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And some laces. We can use our straight lines again for those. I'm making my boot red. What colour are you going to make yours?
While you do that, I'll squiggle 7 more boots, one for each of Salma's 8 legs. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thanks, everyone.
That's my boots all polished, ready for some fancy beetle footwork.
What do you think of my boots, Barry?
Oh, they're great. Here, try them out.
Oh,
Oops. Oh no. How are we going to play the big match without a ball?
don't worry. I'll get it.
Salma!
There you go.
Oh, thanks. Almost time for the match. See ya.
See, Salma, your web was useful for football again.
Yes, but I thought Barry would ask me to play.
Don't worry, Salma. Let's see if we can get a clue from the squiggle pad. Can you spot a way Salma could join in the football game? Here's a football game. He shoots. Well saved, goalie. Here comes the ball again. He scores. Good shot. Hooray! The goalie has saved the ball.
Did you spot something Salma could do in the football game?
I could be in goal.
Yes, every team needs a goalie, Salma, to stop the ball going in the net.
Hi, Squiglet. Hi, Selma.
We're off to the big football match.
Who is the goalie in your team?
No one ever wants to be in goal.
I do. I'll be in goal.
You?
Yes! Just think of all the catching and saving Salma could do with her 8 legs.
Hey, fantastic.
Welcome to the team.
Squiglet, I'm on the team. I'm the goalie.
Great! All you need now is a goal. And we can squiggle one for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's all squiggle a goalpost. We'll need some more straight lines.
Ready? Up. Across. And down.
Let's squiggle one more of those underneath to finish the goalpost. Up, across, and down. Good.
I'm going to make my goalpost red. What colour are you going to make yours? There, one goalpost.
Oh, thanks, everyone.
Come on, Salma. It's match time.
Wait for me!
Salma, we forgot to squiggle you a net to go in your goal.
That's okay, Squiglet. Watch.
That's brilliant, Salma. Why don't you squiggle a net in your goal?
Kick off!
And Cedric has the ball. He passes to Barry. Oh, but Barry's been tackled by Casper the Caterpillar. He's going for goal. He shoots. What a save! By Salma the goalie spider.
You're the best goalie ever.
I'm just happy to be in the team.
Why don't we all be in the team? Join in with our song.
Put on your football boots, pull your socks up high. Run as fast as you can, kick the ball and watch it fly. Salma the goalie spider. Salma the goalie spider. Slow or fast, you won't get past. Salma the goalie spider. Put on your football boots, pull your socks up high. Run as fast as you can, kick the ball and watch it fly. Salma the goalie spider. Salma the goalie spider. Slow or fast, you won't get past. Salma the goalie spider. Playing football with spiders is fun. Thanks for all your squiggles. It's time to go now, but come back to get squiggling soon. Keep on squiggling. Bye!